In this video, I'm going to show you how to write an ordered list, make it Markdown, and then hashtag 8 ordered list. Now, ordered list means there are some specific order whenever you're writing your list. So let's say I want to write something in order. The best programming languages in data science are 1. Python, 2. R, 3. Julia. And as you guys can see that now I have an ordered list of bunch of programming language. So this is how you write 1 point and then the text that you want and so on.